Well, we've repaired some cracks, we've prepped and got ready for paint, and now the moment of truth. Let's go and paint some tricolour pearl. Welcome to How To with Cal, where we teach you tips and tricks on all things mechanical. Save some money, do it yourself. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Okay, we're going to give this a little bit of a wipe. Here, wax and grease remover to get rid of any dirt or any dust that's on here. Want it all nice and clean. We're going to apply a little bit of undercoat to these dark areas, so we're going to give it just a little bit of a touch, because they are raw plastic. This is raw plastic, this is raw plastic, so we need to just coat those before we start. Just put a little bit of undercoat on. We just want to lightly dust it on. And that is it. So when that dries, what we'll do is we will give that a very light sand and bring it back to a nice flat surface, and that will be enough for us to continue painting. Okay, so I have taken this panel, it's dried now, and what I did was I scotch brighted it again and took all the shine off, and it's been cleaned again now, so I'm just about to give it a blow off, and we're going to put the first part of the tricolour on now, which is a silver base. Because all of this stuff is metallic that we're putting on now, nothing from this point forward can be sanded. Okay, here we go. And that is pretty well where we want to be. And that's it for the silver. Okay, let's paint some blue. Now, as you can see, I am blowing this back down the panel. Now, I want this product to go down this direction so that it flows from here to there, because this is original paint, obviously, and I want to try and blend this into that. So I'm actually purposely throwing the paint in that direction so that it does fall down the panel. Okay, now we have our colour pretty well where we want it to be. This is a candy we're spraying now. So this one we'll put on a little bit wetter than the other two. And we'll blow it out all the way. Give it a second just to tack off a little bit, and then we'll come back and hit it again. And that is us. That's it, guys. That's as good as it gets. So here's the finished article. What I've done here is I've put two panels side by side so you can actually see the colour match between the two. So this is an original panel. This one over here is the one we've just painted. So as you can see, that's what the original panel will look like. And this is the one that we've just fixed. There's the repair there on the inside. That's what we did before. And as you can see, if you look over here, we have the edges. There was a crack through here, and there was a rather big crack through here. So hopefully you can see that and see that it's come out pretty good. The sticker's all white again instead of being blue as we painted it the other day. That was rubbed off and is now back ready to go. So these are primarily ready to put back on the bike. That's it, end of another project. If you want to see more like this, leave me a comment. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.